Welcome to the top best. The best patio ice chest is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any outdoor gathering, ensuring your beverages and snacks remain refreshingly cold throughout the day, allowing you to focus on enjoying the company and the ambience rather than constantly worrying about warm drinks. Imagine hosting a barbecue or a pool party where every guest can grab a perfectly chilled soda, beer, or water at their leisure, enhancing the overall experience and making your event a memorable success. Number 5. VINGLI 80 Quart Rolling Ice Chest Party Bar. This cooler cart boasts an impressive 80 quart capacity, perfect for chilling up to 96 cans. It's your ideal companion for keeping all your beverages refreshingly cold. Easily move it wherever the party goes with its multi-directional rolling wheels, featuring 2 with locks for stability. A bottom tray offers extra storage, and the dual-sided lid provides convenient access. Enjoy the thoughtful design, including an attached bottle opener with a catcher. The easy open, dual-sided lids make accessing your drinks a breeze, enhancing its overall portability. Keep your drinks cool for up to 48 hours or warm for 8 hours. This versatile cooler is perfect for any indoor or outdoor event, from barbecues to backyard gatherings. Cleaning is a snap thanks to the convenient drain plug for excess water. Plus, assembly requires no tools, making setup quick and hassle-free. What we like. This cooler cart boasts a generous 80 quart capacity, perfect for keeping a crowd's drinks chilled. Its multi-directional wheels make it easy to move around your party space, and the attached bottle opener adds convenience. If you're hosting a large backyard barbecue or a lively outdoor gathering and need a reliable, mobile drink station, this is the one for you. What people say. The cooler is very well made and keeps ice for days. It is easy to move around with the wheels and handle. The lid seals tightly, keeping the cold air in. Number 4. Best Choice Products 80 Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Take your refreshments anywhere with this mobile cooler. Its sturdy steel stand and 4 wheels allow for easy transport, while built-in locks ensure stability wherever you set it up. Never worry about running out of space. This cooler boasts an impressive 80 quart capacity, perfect for holding up to 50 bottles or 70 cans, along with plenty of food. Keep everything you need within reach. The convenient storage shelf below is ideal for holding your favorite drinks, mixers, or any other essentials you might need. Effortlessly serve your guests with the integrated bottle opener. It even comes with a matching disposal bin, making it a complete drink station for any gathering. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the convenient drainage system. Easily drain melted ice and refill with fresh ice to keep your drinks perfectly chilled. This cooler is designed for ultimate convenience and capacity. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor event, party, or gathering, ensuring your drinks stay cold and accessible. What we like. With an 80 quart capacity, this cooler can hold a substantial amount of beverages for any event. The integrated storage shelf is a fantastic feature for keeping mixers or snacks within easy reach. If you're looking for a cooler that not only chills drinks but also provides extra space for party essentials, this option is a great choice for your next get-together. What people say. The patio ice chest is a great addition to any outdoor space, keeping drinks cold for hours. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the elements, making it perfect for year-round use. The spacious interior holds plenty of beverages and ice, ideal for parties and gatherings. Number 3. 80 Quart Rolling Cooler Ice Chest. Never run out of drinks again. This cooler boasts an impressive 80 quart capacity, easily holding over 70 cans or 50 bottles. It's your perfect companion for any gathering, indoors or out. Enjoy ice-cold beverages for days on end. Its insulated design effectively traps the cold, ensuring your drinks stay perfectly chilled no matter the weather. Loading and accessing your drinks is a breeze with the fully removable lid. Plus, the bottom shelf offers extra storage, and a built-in bottle opener means you're always ready to serve. Crafted with a solid steel construction and a smooth powder-coated finish, this cooler is built to last. It's not only durable but also incredibly easy to wipe clean after use. Move your party essentials anywhere with ease thanks to its 4 multi-directional wheels and sturdy handles. When it's time to stop, the 2 locking brakes keep it securely in place. What we like. This cooler is designed to keep your drinks cold for extended periods, ensuring refreshment throughout your event. The fully removable hinged lid offers convenient access for loading and unloading. If you prioritize long-lasting cold retention and easy access for a busy party, this cooler is ideal for keeping your beverages perfectly chilled. What people say. Keeps ice for 3 days. The lid seals tightly and keeps the ice from melting too quickly. The wheels make it easy to move around the patio. Number 2. BIRDROCK Home Stainless Steel Beverage Tub with Stand. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this beverage tub is built to last. It's designed to keep your drinks perfectly chilled for any occasion, ensuring your guests always have a cold refreshment. The robust metal stand not only elevates the tub for convenient access but also features a bottom tray for additional storage. It provides a stylish and practical way to display your beverages. Transporting and cleaning this tub is a breeze thanks to its side handles and removable design. Weighing only 16 pounds, it's easy to move wherever you need it. With its impressive capacity, it can hold over 35 bottles of your favorite drinks or up to 19 bottles of wine. It's perfect for keeping a large crowd happy and hydrated. Whether you're hosting an indoor party or an outdoor barbecue, this beverage tub is the ideal addition. Its stylish and functional design complements any patio, deck, or gathering space. What we like. Crafted from durable stainless steel and featuring a sturdy metal stand, this beverage tub offers a stylish and long-lasting cooling solution. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport. If you appreciate a blend of aesthetics and functionality for your patio or deck, and need a portable yet robust cooler, this is an excellent option for your entertaining needs. What people say. The lid is hinged and it stays open on its own. The wheels make it easy to move around. It keeps ice for a long time. Number 1. YITAHOME 85 Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Keep your drinks ice cold for hours with this spacious cooler. It offers ample room for all your beverages and even includes open storage for added convenience. This cooler is designed for ultimate convenience. It features a built-in bottle opener, a matching trash can, a spice rack, and a handy bottom storage space. Plus, the PVC ice bag with drain holes makes ice and water management a breeze. Easily move this cooler wherever you need it with its 4 multi-directional wheels. 2 of the wheels are lockable, ensuring it stays securely in place, even on uneven ground. Setting up this cooler is a snap. Made from durable, recyclable resin, it's low maintenance and easy to clean. Just follow the simple instructions for a quick and hassle-free installation. Built to last, this cooler is crafted from all-weather resistant resin with a natural wood texture. It's protected against peeling and denting, offering a sleek look and requiring minimal upkeep. What we like. This cooler cart offers an impressive 85 quart capacity and comes equipped with a variety of multifunctional accessories for ultimate convenience. Constructed from all-weather resistant resin, it's built for durability and minimal maintenance. If you're seeking a large capacity cooler with added features like a spice rack and trash can, and want something that can withstand the elements, this is the perfect choice for your outdoor parties. What people say. The cooler keeps ice for days, even in direct sunlight. It's very sturdy and well-built, with a lid that seals tightly. The wheels make it easy to move around, even when full. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.